Hello, मैं आतु जमीर अपने साथ हॉर्नबिल टीवी। जा कल संडे दिन दे देश लगा जगह अलग अलग विकसित भारत संकल्प अभियान करने नशा मुक्त युवा प्रोग्राम थगिशे नेशन वाइड इटू लगा प्रोग्राम नागालैंड दिबी चुमुकेडिमा नेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी रिशे गवर्नर नंद किशोर यादव प्रा प्रोग्राम अटेंड कृषि और इटू लोगों दे अवेयरनेस कैंपेन पोस्टर एग्जीबिशन दे भी विजिट कृषि कोई ना जाने पाइशे सब्सटेंस अब्यूज कोरिया लगा खिलाफ इंडिया's 100 वीक नेशन वाइड कैंपेन लगा पार्टे युद्ध प्रोग्राम ऑर्गेनाइज कोरिया लगा से तदे डेवलप्ड और ड्रग फ्री नेशन बनाबोले कारणे यूथ्स एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशंस और कम्युनिटीज कानगे मोबिलाइज करबोले कारणे से गवर्नर लोगों दे प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी वर्चुअली थगिशे और जमा कोरिगिना थगिया मानु और ऑनलाइन दे प्रोग्राम अटेंड कोरिया मानु सबके खोता कृषि Prominent Bollywood actor Randeep Hooda Assam flood te visit kurigina wapas jabole Dimapur airport te ahya homoy tai laga experience share krishi aro flood victims kan ge support kuribole sob manu ge appeal krishi abi ground report sabo reporter Adona Lote
Hornbill TV ita Dimapur airport te aigina ase mo laga neighboring state Assam te bishi flood hoigina 82 manu murigina ita more than 1.70 lakhs of affect hoigina takya homoy Bollywood actor Randeep Hooda to last week Friday din de Assam de flood affected area de jaigana mudut kurigina jaigana aji yate Dimapur airport te wapas jabo nimire tai itya aibole laga ase aibi tai de Assam de jaigana tai physically nijer jaigana mudut kurigina materials kan bi tai donate kurigina aha muan diki paise to tai flood area de manu kan ge lok paigina kinika tagise tai laga experience bi kinika tagise itube muan jankari kuribo nimite itya Randeep Hooda logote ekta duita kotha kuribo
Hornbill?
Yes, Hornbill TV. So we would like to have a short interaction with you.
Sure. Quickly.
First of all, thank you so much for your support and service in Assam. And you are living today. So we just like though you have seen the flood situation in Assam and what is the first thing that hits you the hardest when you see the flood situation, ground reality in Assam?
It's people losing their homes, their belongings, and hope. And it's terrible to see families, little kids, old people, all stranded. And the water is receding, but not everywhere. So situation is pretty bad. But there's a lot of help also. A lot of people are there to help. And I went there with Global 6. The team is on ground today. We have started distributing the bamboos to make new houses. And and warm food and other household items, People need a place to sleep, something to cook in. Because the flood took everybody by surprise. That's not an area which usually gets flooded. So everybody was surprised and got caught. But now, human spirit, we will win, I guess.
Sir, what made you personally visit the flood-affected areas in Assam instead of sending help from afar?
It is good to give off your money, but it is better to give off your time. So I felt that if I come here and help out, because I want to do it for myself, because I feel good about it, firstly. Second, I hope it inspires more people to come and help. And I've been working with these global Sikh people in other areas also. So they've got a very great team and a very good organization. They plan well and they deliver the help that is needed. And they do it for a long time. It's not just, sometimes people do it for disaster tourism, but that's not the case.
Sir, after witnessing the resilience of the Assam people, you've witnessed how people felt during this difficult time. So, what message would you like to share with the rest of India about the Northeast?
The Northeast is a beautiful place. I have had the good fortune to be married in the Northeast. But every time I come here, the people are beautiful. And it's one of the most beautiful parts of India. And I think as far as Assam flood goes, I would like to appeal to everyone to come to help in whatever way they can. Even if it's a prayer, that also helps. So, when you give somebody some help and a smile, that goes a long way. Yeah.
So one last question from my side. We also heard that you spent one night with the local community here in Nagaland, in Newland district, in Lukdo village. So what was, and you also donated to a church. So what was your experience like here in Nagaland?
Oh, I mean, I have hardly ever seen such beautiful, organized village. It's very clean. Everybody's got a nice house, whether it is made of bamboo or now a lot of people are making cement houses. The culture, the food, and the warmth of the people I really like, and all communities, like there's Nepali community there, there is Naga community, Sami community? Sim community, and there's a church, there's a temple, so everybody lives together very nicely, and it was very heartening to see. In where I come from, we have lost that secludedness to villages now. It's become very modern and everything, but here it's still the way people live is very beautiful.
Last question. Besides Assam, Nagaland also facing a hard situation in landslide. I know we can't be everywhere, but what message you would like to give to the affected families of Nagaland, especially Mon District, Twensang, Longland? We're having very victims. Yeah.
This landslide, I'm sorry, but message that I like to give is that we are all, human race is one, and I'm sure somebody is running to you to help in very soon. So just hold on and be hopeful and positive, and it will pass.
Amen huni paise kitai apne la church te donation bi dise to idu han experience kan kina lakse mangelo ko parwa.
Acha bishi thanks ase apnahan Hornbill TV aro Global Window ahi kena aji inika kotha kuribo pare laga time pa karni bishi khushi ase aro hosa hoy kilo mani ami khan laga sir Randip Khuda tu Assam flood te Assam dubya jagah te tai ekta मदद निमित्ते जाएगे ना दुख सुख पा खान के साइगे ना आरो वापस आहा तामते आमी खान लगा लुक्तो बस्ती ते बहिबो पारिसे लुक्तो बस्ती न्यूलैंड डिस्ट्रिक्ट अंदर खागाबतो एरिया ते किले मानी ताते आही किने बहिबो पारे तो होले ताई लगा असिस्टेंट तो होले आमी लगा बस्ती लगा एकता जॉय थाकिसे ताई लगा नाम सागर आसे आरो आमी खान लगा भाई विकास आरो भाई रोशन राय ताई दुजन पहिला पुरा भी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री मुंबई ते थाकी के ना आहा हुमाते एकता जना चिना एकता होय के ना आही के ना आमी खान लगा बस्ती भी विजिट कर दिसे आरो आमी खान लगा सर रणदीप खुदा बिशी ताई के थैंक्स दिया तो होले आही के ना ताई निजोर लगा धर्म निजोर लगा इतु इकु किबा ना होय के ना आही के ना आमी खान लगा मेन फर्स्ट आही के ना चर्च साइड दिसे pastor leaders kan sob ke bhi tai sai di ke na sob ke bhi inika khushi pai ke na ami khan laga girja de bhi dangor modot ekta di ke na jabo paria itu hi bishi khushi pai ke na ase aro tai laga future pe aro bhal hoi ke na jai thaki bole dibo koi ke na ami laga message itu loi ke na di ase
to itu ase mohan famous actor Randip Khuda logo kota kuri kena tai laga experience yate Newland district bi jwa kali aigena gumaisi gise aro overall tai itia sob public kan ke appeal kura la tu sob manu bi alag alag jaga te takili bi ineka duk suk time de action ke mudot kuru bi laga bi tai itu koi kena aji wapas jaise ineka kobar aro update koi takibo ajini bine mane ase moya donare with camera person 1 for Hornbill TV Dimapur.
Nagaland Jat Bishi Thagya de Sa Bar Festival alak Luigina Jai. Itu Nishino August 1st din de Ao Jati Manukampra Taika Naga Premier Festival Sangrabong celebrate Krishi Kukina Jani Paishi. Mokok Chungde Ao Sinden Pra Festival Manabuni Mide program organized Korea de MP as Supungmaran Jamir Pra special guest Kridishi Aro Manubishi Jama Hua Dikishe. Inika Hugina Jamir Pra program de Kota Korea Homoy Sangrabong Festival do Harvest Korea de Tanyabad din laga homoy asikugina junaishi. Abampa led Korea initiative clean election opor Jamir pra kushi ki sob manu itu laga announcement do jani ase hulibi hosa mon pra kunbi luanai. Clean election do ekjon manu laga khilaf khara Korea no hoy hulibi thik aro bhal leader ge elect krobo nimide asikugina Jamir pra kushi.
chung nungi President Bayanier Rolir Sunsuaja Ibadan Kalami, the most respected, the head of the department in the Mokchung district, all the employees, Lokti Sendan Balala Nungi, Asir Tansi Dambo, senior citizens, Tongdi Bangsa Sendan Teti, Asunu Yarjaber, media fraternities, Ibadan Kalami, Shilamaga, Tana Shilamagir, Achunga, Talisa Watsalar, Kuba Gantachung, Ganmajamer, Imna Vai Anir, Gantachung, Kuba Machamogo, Nanoa, Chungadang, Kanadang Pilar. Sangram Ratat, Asan Council Chairman by Kanga Chungadang Ratata, Shigu, Asuipa Nungchi, that's chase of the Sangram Festival is the Sandidi and the sanctifications of a personal life, as well as the village and the farmers. Takam bibi takam merk ta alitsla ta utsla bula normabang par tanga tapat sangram kalamba mabang sunglo sangram kalamba mabang numasang utsla bulai ipa tasiji tanga tapasir ipa shiri anampawabansa shiri part kalamba kibor ta akam zuwa aja shiri takam ba leader party tumuasa ta nada tanga tapano iba penjomo ya mawaru surabangla tanga 1872 American Baptist Mission E.W. Clark Dianir Asunuk Sangaram Takamalibat Sangaram Tanala Libat Sangaram Kamta Takpat Sangaram Ta Asunuk Overia Kiza Asunli Manungi Iba Tamangbat Sangaramar Tauchi Jibro Surabangla Tanama Sangaramu Asun Kamta Tapat Sangaram Tanasang Aja Amunda Sangaramdanga no kichimishi zila Naganongar sushi Our Damasushi Our Susui Sangaramdang Kichi Azana Shias Zila That's why Asunuki Ibakuri Japan Sanandagar Asunuki Naganor Linger Tajung Adopcha Our Lano Tajung Adopcha Our Laishir Adopcha Political lineardom Officerdom Surgardan Zakar Linuktan Zakar Asir Lamang Palala no Palaka linear atau Jangda Asir Ipa Tashichi Asunuki Mungtater Mungtater Ipa Mat Sangaramdang Takangba Galia Penjung Nungka Mungtater Bangla Asunuk Shi Azunu Asun Shiaz Changraba Gidang Amungba Nungbo Kamshiaiba Penjung Yarutse Saha Aura Sushi Tajang Zakbaz Anungji iba ma penjunga mungdangya ujala numranir arugutan zakaranir imsisranir iba auli mano naikuta tsangram o E.W. Clark ajanga 1872 no auli mayo iba tumwa zidu iba tsangram mungdangya nanam iba tumwa za azar or tanang sanga azar ho anu uzra auli mai iba tumwa zidu yogan dasnuki akang zubayi kangadang tungdiba Utsula Bula Mabang Tumwaz Mishita Mungtatra Sushibo Idam Chongmaji Tauts Mawales Asir Sangarmo Merangsana Amundanga Tana Zangdano Kaja Mim Tapa Malias Mim Shia Masraban Pabo Niyama Tumwaz Mungudaks Dasva Shisas Magatas Kutasir Tumwaza Murna, Tasada, Samaram Sangi Indang Nanda, Merang Sandang Shidat. Tanasu Wawari Kadika Nituluba, Natilaba, Uzakin Tuluba, Asir Natilaba Kinui, Ni Yungamer, Na Yungamer Mas, the Mas, saga hours na apaner asunok lungchim nungdam asunok yakin na ba ma asunok lungchimer linak ajung kutsa taswa team la gajim pernah maru tutra bangla asunok ibating dim yatitia.
Program the District Commissioner Ajit Kumar Verma Prabi Kota Kuridishe Tade Festival Pra Kinika Culture or Foster Unity to Preserve Kurigina Rake Ito Junai Dishe. Inika Hoigina young generation kan ke cultural identity or modern aspiration do balance globally request Krish.
You know, the festival are kind of a living history. It's a kind of a platform where the cultural events are being exchanged. The knowledge of culture, tradition and customs is being preserved, is being exchanged and being carried forward to the next generations. So for the Sungdemang is not only a harvest festival, it's a celebration of gratitude, unity, hope and renewal. It reminds us that after months of hard work, there comes a season of Thanksgiving, a time to appreciate nature's blessing, strengthen the family and community bonding, and celebrate the rich tradition and culture that we have shaped the identity of our people for the generations. The Sungdemang festival reminds us that our rich history begins with the land and the beautiful hills of eastern Himalayas. The natural resources, hard work and the dedication of our forefathers, the grace of Almighty God. Our community has always been known for its strong value system of honesty, hard work, hospitality, collective responsibility, and most importantly, the wisdom to guide the communities, being the land of pioneers. These values have been instrumental and they have been carried to our forefathers through the difficult time during the establishment of the village, during the establishment of the town, during the establishment of the various districts. So these are the value systems which have been instrumental and strong enough to strengthen the commitment and dedication of our forefathers to come up to this point. And as we celebrate our festival today, I hope that and I wish that these value system will be a kind of a foundation or bedrock for guiding our younger generation, for guiding our coming generations to take the lead forward, being the land of pioneers. Today, we are celebrating and witnessing our culture vibrantly expressed through the folk songs, cultural dances, traditional attire, and old age customs.
July 31st Day, Loa 41st, Subaliba Saya, cultural display day, long chalk senden Ungma pra jitilushe. Ido even though Yim Tsangta Arok Sabang, Ungma village delushe, aro long chalk senden Ungma pra, Northeast Zone Cultural Center, Dimapur Logode Miligina, organized Krishi. Oriental Club Ungma pra, first runner-up Paishe, aro Salukam Roko pra, second runner-up laga place jitishi. Performance kan group kan laga kapra, tribal calls, dance, drum beats, aro Ghana pra Judge Krishi. Development Authority of Nagaland laga chairman, Watizulu Suzumaren Jamir pra, chief guest Tegishe, aro Tai pra Javan Manukan ki Nijor laga cultural traditions Janibi Kukina Nijor laga root to Pehchana se Krishi. Ita kane manhi, Sai Thank you, Hornbill TV.